Sunday morning, November 24th, I think. 23rd or 24th. Haven't got a lot of videoing done. Been busy, been getting up at 2 in the morning and running. So got the boy running the cart, his favorite job in the world now, which is pretty cool, I guess. And got the landlord out here this morning. He volunteered to finally come out and run the combines, so just trying to keep the dryer bin full and let it run all day, and it's running overnight too, but the ground's so wet that trying to run in the mornings, early in the mornings, and while it's on the firmer side, and then work on the bin a little during the day and transfer corn, and did a custom job yesterday. They wanted it out. Ended up mudding that out. But the whole reason why I'm not running here during the days it gets too muddy, and I prefer not to do that, so that's why I've been running early in the mornings. Ran until 10 o'clock on Friday morning, and it was getting pretty greasy out then, so, but that was how long it took me to get the dryer bin full, because that was the initial startup on it again, and had to fill it quite a ways, so. Cart's really been working out good. I'm very pleased with it. Didn't want to spend the money, but I'm glad I did. It's working out really well. Should have done it a long time ago. Don't know how well the video will turn out, but it's the TR99 and the TW15 running a 420 Brent. Gets a little nervous when he's dumping on the go. I don't know what they got going there, but well, better go see what they got going on here. Well, I imagine he's probably getting too close with the cart or something. too fast, maybe, I don't know. He likes going at perfect speed, the landlord does, and the boy gets a little carried away on the throttle sometimes. I know when I was dumping in him yesterday, we got up going a pretty good clip, but normally I just adjust onto him and switch hands here. The hand without the glove on is getting cold. Well, it looks like he's got a load on, so I suppose I'm going to start walking back to my chariot. I'm going to run wagons. So I'm going to start walking back that way because by the time I get back there, he should be back here for another dump and back to fill me up, and that'd be that should be his third dump into the wagons then, and I'll have to start my rounds. So we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.